Hello and welcome to our store. My name is Khan. We have just installed our latest Android multimedia system to Mercedes ML. This Mercedes ML had this original radio. If you can see, this comes with a screen. So it doesn't matter which type of radio you have in your Mercedes ML. So we have adapters for all types of radios and sound system. Even if you have fiber optic system, so we have Mercedes ML a stereo system for your car. So this car has this original radio, and we have installed our latest Android system. Right now we have Android 9 and Android 10, but in the future we can update the system as well. So if you can see, this comes with Android system, and you can install any types of application in this Mercedes ML stereo system. We have Apple CarPlay, we have application installer. This one is in Swedish, so we have, because we have installed it in Sweden right now, but we can ship worldwide, so you can choose any language you want. It has the amplified setting like bass and sound and these kind of things, loudness. You have the home menu like this, and you have the music player, so you can insert USB to play music or to play videos, watch movies. You can even watch movies if you drive. We have installed USB connectors here. There are two USB in this stereo system. So to one of it we have connected the Apple CarPlay wireless dongle, and to one of it we have inserted a USB stick, and we can play music or videos from this USB stick. So there is a navigation system as well, built-in navigation for the whole world. You can say we can pre-install for your country, and you can choose, of course, any navigation map type if you want. Like we have installed iGo, we have installed Google Play, Google Maps. You can install. It's same like your Android mobile phone. We have Apple CarPlay. Like if you can see, I have this Apple phone, and you can control your Apple iPhone through wirelessly through your system. So if you click here directly, you can call here, you can text message here, you can use your WhatsApp, you can use your WhatsApp, normal WhatsApp, WhatsApp business, any type of application. It will come directly to your stereo screen. And if you want to go back to the Android system, the Android screen, so you just click on the home or just click on the car, and you will go back to the stereo home screen. The navigation, the default navigation application, you can choose anyone you want from the setting menu. It has built-in radio, FM, AM radio. If you want, you can install DAB radio as well, digital audio broadcasting radio. It needs a separate antenna and a module, and we have it at our store. It has built-in Bluetooth. You can connect your phone through Bluetooth, and you can play music, and you can call from here directly. It will synchronize all of your contact list at your stereo system, so you can call here directly from the screen. You can talk in the built-in microphone, or you can install a separate external microphone as well. There is a microphone input, the standard 3.5 mm microphone input, or 2.5 mm, or even you can use adapter. So the microphone, separate microphone, is also included, and you can call from here. I have not connected my iPhone or phone through Bluetooth right now. My iPhone is connected to the Apple CarPlay, that's why I haven't connected it. But you can connect any type of phone, like iPhone, Android phone, Windows phone, as long as it has Bluetooth. And you can play music, Spotify, of course, everything. We have installed a reversing camera as well in this car. So when you reverse, the picture will come automatically. I have to just do like this, and you can see the picture quality. It's very good quality, and you can see those lines as well. If you want, you can turn them off as well as soon as you just drive forward and take out the reverse gear, so it will disappear the reversing camera. It's pretty fast actually. It comes very fast. The picture quality is very good. The music player, you can see, you can play, you can use your CD or DVDs as well if you want. There is a DVD player, CD player. We have stereo systems without CD and DVD players as well. You can play music through USB, you can play videos through USB, and Bluetooth radio, of course, and it has very good sound quality as well if you want. Here we don't have signal because we are parking the car inside the garage, so there is no signal of the radio right now, but you can just delete applications. So you have seen backup camera, you have seen Bluetooth, you have seen the Apple CarPlay, and it's Android Auto as well. So if you don't have iPhone, you can use your Android phone as well through this dongle, and there is a DVR application as well if you want. So the DVR is digital video recorder, which you will insert a front video camera in the front windscreen, and it will work. It will record videos automatically, and you can control those videos from the screen. Here I will just turn off my Bluetooth. So let me see if there is anything else needed to explain. Yeah, the steering wheel control buttons, if you see, those will work as well. You can see there is a volume up, volume down. The phone button to pick up the phone or just cut the phone, those buttons will work as well. There is a next back buttons as well, so this one will work as well. The menu button, and let me see if I can play any video through USB. There is a music player. Let me find any video player as well. Here, video, and let me select if I want to play video from the internal memory of the stereo system or just from the USB. So there is no video actually, but we can play videos from, and it has very good picture quality as well. It has auto function. If you see, when you turn off the lights, this one, so you can see it will turn on and off, and you can change the button colors as well. So this is automatic as well. And yeah, that's all for now. If you have any question, or you can just comments in the video below, or I will give a link of the stereo as well, where you can buy it at our website. And we have the same stereo system for almost all of the cars. So if you have another car, you can ask us. If you ask us about the stereo system for your car, so we can reply you very quick. You can find our WhatsApp number as well. You can find our website address as well. You can email us as well, and we have the Facebook page as well. All the links in the description below. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.